Hi everyone, adding a heart border to your Microsoft Word document is a great way to personalize flyers, invitations or cards. Since you are working with the Word's built-in page border feature, the process is straightforward. So here are the steps to insert a heart border. So first you need to open your document and go to the Design tab on the top ribbon and click on the page border on the far right of the ribbon and you will be routed to the borders and shading dialog box. And make sure click on the page border tab and then look for the art on the drop down menu at the bottom of the window. Click on this arrow and just scroll down and here is the heart. You just need to click on that. So here is the width you can adjust. For example, you want to reduce it, you can 8 pt. And here in the preview you can see the results. As you increase the width you can see the results in the preview. So I'll be selecting 8 pt and now head to the apply and here you need to click on this arrow, and if you want to apply this section you can select this option, and for this my case I'll be selecting the whole document and click OK to apply, and that's all. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can insert heart border in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.